All right, guys, it's done. I just picked up this 2010 STI. I'm so happy about this. I'm super excited. It looks so good. It has a parent cat back, catless downpipe. It's already modded. All right, y'all, so I'm waiting for a friend to come pick me up because I have my Fit here with me. Oh, I can't wait. I can't freaking wait. What the fuck? What? Okay, I like this car. What? Wait, we need a brake. What? What is he doing? Holy fuck.
You understand why he bought it now?
Oh yeah, I understand. Big time. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, you're waiting for me to do it here? Oh my god, yeah, brake! Brake! Okay. Whoa.
A few inches later.
Alright, so update on the STI. It looks great. But we ran into a little issue driving it. And little, I mean big. Okay, so the brake pedal lost all pressure. Okay. This goes all the way down. Like this. It literally just goes all the way down. So we lost brake pressure. Did you hear that air? Jeez. So yeah, braking is really sketchy. I had to. What the hell? It doesn't come back anymore. Okay, see? I gotta get that fixed. So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna go get the car towed. So that's a little update. There she goes, off to get towed. First day, not even 24 hours with it in. Already having problems. All right. I got rollers on my car. Got a stick roller on my car. Oh shit.
One beautiful Christmas morning later.
This is me from the future. So that was filmed back in October last year. There are two reasons why I sold that STI. One of the reasons being is that it was already built. There's already so much done to it that there wasn't much for me to do, but there was a lot for me to do. And here's why. It already had an intake, upgraded turbo, injectors, callus downpipe, external wastegate, a bunch of mods already done to it. It felt like someone else's build, not my build. But because it had so much things done to it, this comes a second reason, I didn't have a parts list. I don't know what size turbo is in there, what size injectors, what size millimeter external wastegate was in there. There's so many unknowns and it needed a retune. So for me to go and fix it up would cost me a lot more money. To go in there, figure out what size injectors, what size turbo, if it needed any work to be done. It just didn't make sense for me to invest into more money into the car. And plus, I didn't do a compression test. I know I should have. I don't know the condition of the engine, if it was well taken care of or not. So yeah, it could blow up. Actually, another thing, a third thing, is that the transmission wouldn't go into gear. So either the bushings were bad, and sometimes it would grind in second and fourth gear. Yeah, it needed a lot of work, and to be honest with you, not the right Subi for me, I think, at this point. I still love the hatchback, I still love the STI, but right now, it's not for me. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. I have an exciting new car coming to the channel, and I'm excited. Peace out, and I'll see you next one.